Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on my Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to bake a chocolate cookie sticks and decorate it using different melted chocolates along with some sugar sprinkles. So let's get started. Eggless no yeast donut dough has been used for this chocolate cookie stick. To make this chocolate cookie sticks, sprinkle some flour, roll the dough 1/8 of the inch and cut it using some dough scraper as shown. Make sure the rolled dough has a uniform thickness and 1/8 of an inch. Cut the rolled dough using a dough scraper of uniform thickness and of same length. Make similar strips using the rest of the dough as shown. You can even use different knife and different kinds of dough scraper to cut these stripes of the dough. Before you roll the dough, make sure the dough is kneaded well so the strips becomes crack free and looks perfect. Here you can see thin sticks are ready to bake. Use melted butter and grease the baking paper as well as brush the melted butter on top of these sticks. Greasing is a very important step. Since these cookie sticks are very thin and slender, it might get burnt while baking. Bake this butter greased sticks at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes in a preheated oven. Allow these biscuits to cool and dip it in a warm dark melted chocolate as shown. You can cover these melted chocolates up to 3/4 length of these sticks. Place it on a cup filled with lentils or rice as shown so the melted chocolates get set well at a room temperature. You can even place this on a baking paper. These chocolate cookie sticks can be even allowed to set on a baking paper. To dip this chocolate cookie sticks, here I have used dark compound chocolate. You can even use milk chocolate and add different flavors and colors to these melted chocolates as well. Here I have used 1 drop of red food color to a white compound chocolate so it has become pink. Cover these sticks with the melted pink chocolate and allow it to cool. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to set at room temperature. Crispy baked sticks are ready. Isn't this an easy recipe? Decorate it using different sugar sprinkles as shown. Using the same donut dough, I'm going to show you how to make soft cookies. These soft cookies are very delicious and quick to make. Using the same dough, roll and knead it as shown. Cut into equal parts using a dough scraper. Knead to form a soft, crack-free ball and press it in the center to get a perfect cookie shape. Make similar balls using a rest of the dough as shown. You can see the perfect texture. Using a fork, you can make different designs on these cookies. Using these cookie dough, you can give different shapes using the cookie cutter as well. The link I have been placed in the description box. Please do have a look. Since the dough is fermented, so it is going to be a soft cookie. In a preheated oven, bake this cookie at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes and the perfect soft cookies are ready. You can dip it using a dark compound chocolate or different flavors of this chocolate as shown. A dark compound chocolate does consist of sugar by itself. Do not add much sugar for this dark compound chocolate. Chocolate cookie sticks and the soft cookies are ready. Isn't this an easy recipe? To make the dough for this chocolate cookie sticks as well as soft cookies, please do check the recipe for this eggless and no yeast donut. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Thanks for watching.